Allemeersch is dedicated in tube and piping operation. The company handles the complete finishing of bended and rolled tubes and special profiles. Our products are categorized in 3 groups: piping, bent and curved tubes for manufactured elements, and cabin parts. We make individual parts and complete welded groups that are surface treated and assembled. Our products are delivered according to the just-in-time principle to meet our customers' wishes and requirements. Our customers are highly diverse, but predominantly machine manufacturing companies, cabin manufacturers, and metal processing companies. Allemeersch wants to further develop and specialize as a leading tube machining company, with a workforce of motivated and experienced personnel using high-performance machinery. Thanks to our tube operations specialization, we can offer an entire range of diameters, from 6 mm up to and including 150 mm. Allemeersch intends to continue investing in new machines and technologies, so that we can offer our customers competitively priced high-end solutions. Engineering data: 4 sawing machines and automatic sawing line. Tube laser for diameters up to 140 mm. Mandrel bending machines. 11 CNC controlled machines for diameters up to 150 mm with bending into 3D shapes. 3 CNC controlled roller machines with moments of inertia up to 28 and a possibility for variable radiuses. 3 two-headed sawing machines with variable 3D angular adjustment. As an ISO certified company, we are structured to fulfill our customers' specific technical, pricing, logistical, and quality requirements.